Ninth standard Maths Unit 5 Exercise 5.4 Question number 4. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection. Find the coordinates of point of trisection of the line segment joining the points A and B is given. Okay, dear children, listen the question. What is our A? Which one we have to find out? We have to find out coordinates. We have to find out coordinates. Coordinates means that x value and y value. You know very well coordinates means x and y. Value is there means that is called coordinate. Coordinates. So we have to find out coordinates. Which coordinates? Points of trisection. Okay, points of trisection of the line segment. Line segment joining. So first we have to draw the line segment. Line segment joining the points. So joining the points A and B. What is the point A? A minus 5 comma 6. B my 4 comma minus 3. Okay. The line segment joining the points A and B, and then find the coordinates of point of trisection. There is the point of trisection. What is the meaning of point of trisection? Point of trisection means that line is divided into 3 equal parts. That line is divided into 3 equal parts means that is called point of trisection. Okay. This given line segment is divided into 3 equal half. 3 equal half means that is called point of trisection. Okay. So I give the name here P and Q. Okay. This AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. Okay. AP is equal to PQ is equal to QP. Okay, that means points of. So we have to find out points, the coordinates of P and coordinates of Q. Point of trisection, coordinates of P and coordinates of Q. So we have to find out the coordinates of P. We have to find out the coordinates. Coordinates of P and Q. Okay. Q of point of trisection. Okay. This is the point of trisection. Okay. So in before class we had studied that midpoint of the line segment, and then before class the distance between the length. Okay. Now in this class we have to study point of trisection. So formula, point of trisection formula, the point P is equal x2 plus 2x1 divided by 3, comma y2 plus 2y1 divided by 3. This is the point of trisection formula for point P. And then point Q is equal, just interchange that 2 only in front. Okay, 2x2 plus x1 divided by 3, comma 2y2 plus y1 divided by 3. This is the point of trisection of point Q. Okay, if the given question point of trisection given means we have to use the formula, this formula. Clear dear? Can you understand? Point of trisection in your question given means we have to use the formula P is equal x2 plus 2x1 by 3, y2 plus 2y1 by 3. In that Q means just interchange the 2 only in front of that place. Okay. Now to find P. What is the formula? x2 plus 2x1 by 3, comma y2 plus 2y1 by 3. Okay, we need x1, x2, y1, y2 coordinates. Where is the values? The given value A A has x1, y1. B has x2, y2. So you have to write A minus 5 comma 6. This is the x1, y1. And then B 4 comma minus 3. This value is x2, y2. Now we have to apply the formula. The point P is equal formula x2 plus 2x1 divided by 3. Okay, comma y2 plus 2y1 by 3. Now apply the values. x2, where is the x2? 4. Okay, 4 plus formula plus in 2 into x1. x1, what is the value? Minus 5. So put the bracket divided by 3. Okay, comma y2. What is the value? y2 here minus 3 plus is the formula plus 2 into y1 into y1. y1 is 6. Okay, put the bracket. Okay, into means multiple divided by 3. Next 4 plus 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. Plus into minus minus. Plus into minus minus. 2 5s are 10 divided by 3. Comma 2 6 are 12. Here also put that mark. Minus 3 plus 12 divided by 3. Next plus 4 minus 10. Plus 4 minus 10. Different sign, subtract and put the greater sign. So 4 minus 10. 4 minus 10. Subtract the value and put the minus 6 divided by 3. Comma. Different side, subtract. Here also use the different side, subtract. Minus 3 plus 12. So 9. 9 by 3. Next, if you possible means cancel. 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. 1 3s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So finally, what is the coordinates? Minus 2 comma 3. So which point? P. But the points of trisection, the P coordinates is 2 comma 3. This is our aim. Next, we have to find out Q, the point of trisection. In that another one point, the coordinates is Q. Q also we have to find out x comma y values. So next to find Q. Okay. If you possible means, if you want means, you have to replace any alphabet letters. Okay. C and D also you have to write it. No problem. Okay. I will write that P and Q. If you need means R, S, T, whatever may be, you have to put the letter here. Okay. Now to find Q. What is the formula? Q is equal, just the 2 only interchange this. X2. 2x2 plus x1 divided by 3. Comma. The just 2 only change it, that formula 2y2 plus y1 divided by 3. Okay. Next write the coordinates, the given value, the same value. A value is minus 5 comma 6. Okay. B value is 4 comma minus 3. Okay. This is the x1, y1, x2, y2. Now apply the formulas. Q is equal 2 into x2. What is the value? 4. 2 into x2 plus x1. x1 value is minus 5. So plus means directly put the minus 5 divided by 3. Comma. And then 2 into y2. y2 means what is the value? Minus 3. Into means you put the symbol must. Okay. Into means you must write the symbol, or else no need. In addition subtraction means no need. Okay. Then formula plus. Okay. y1. What is the value y1? y1 is 6 divided by 3. Next, 2 fours are 8. 8 minus 5 divided by 3, comma, 2 3s are 6. Minus 6 plus 6 divided by 3. Okay. 8 minus 5, 3. 3 by 3, comma, minus 6 plus 6, 0. 0 by 3. 0 by 3 means 0 by anything, 0. So here 3 by 3, 1, comma, 0 by anything, 0. So finally the Q value is 1, comma, 0. What is our aim? We have to find out point of trisection, the coordinates of point of trisection. So coordinates means x and y value. So point of coordinates of P minus 2, comma, 3, coordinates of Q 1, comma, 0. Therefore the coordinates of points of trisection P and Q. P is equal minus 2, comma, 3 and Q is equal 1, comma, 0.